Commercial moving is generally defined as the action of moving businesses, offices, commercial equipment, government institutions, public or private establishments. This process requires skills, knowledge, and adequate equipment to successfully accomplish the tasks. It all starts with the signing of the moving contract and the mandate offered by the client to Déménagement Total to manage the project. Then, step by step, the movers take care of loading the office furniture into the truck, using four-wheeled dollies, hand trucks, or even a jigger for larger weights. In the case of bulky furniture, we dismantle it into several parts so that they can be put in commercial elevators and transported safely. Our movers are known for flexibility, and we can serve our commercial customers day and night so as not to interrupt the work process of the client company. The trucks and equipment we use are offered in advance according to the moving quote made on-site or by email, depending on the specific requirements and needs of the moving project. Apart from the equipment required by the customer, we are always equipped with 100 clean and new quilted blankets, several fixing belts, and the most important, we always come with a larger truck than agreed with the client because we do not like bad surprises. By choosing Déménagement Total for any type of commercial move, office move, or business relocation, you will benefit from the unparalleled service with no surprises. Thank you for watching.